Hi again, science students. In the last video, we looked at resistance in a series circuit. Now we're going to complete this page of notes by looking at resistance in a parallel circuit. So, with a parallel circuit, if we have two resistors, R1 and R2, the total resistance is calculated using this. We take R1 and multiply it by R2 and divide that by R1 plus R2. So, for instance, if R1 actually had a resistance of 5 ohms and R2 had a resistance of 2 ohms, then we would have 5 by 2 over 5 plus 2, which is 10 over 7. 10 over 7 is 1.4, roughly. 1.4 ohms. So, very interesting, isn't it, that the total resistance of this circuit, 1.4 ohms, is less than either of the resistors that are involved in the circuit. So it's a very interesting thing about parallel circuits is this result. Okay, so here's an example for a parallel circuit. You might want to pause the video and try this one on your own, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we're going to calculate the total resistance of this circuit. So we have the first resistor, R1 here, and the second resistor here. So this total resistance is equal to R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. So that's 10 by 25 divided by 10 plus 25. Which gives us 250 over 35. So that gives us 7.14 ohms is the total resistance of this parallel circuit. So a tiny bit more complex than series circuits, but not overly difficult. So go ahead and try some of the questions for resistance in parallel circuits.